St. Michael's Hospital has been a leader in treating multiple sclerosis for 40 years. Our center is the largest in North America. We've trained and recruited some of the world's top MS clinicians and researchers. But it didn't start out this way. In 1982, St. Michael's opened the first MS clinic in Toronto and one of the first in Canada, and its beginnings were pretty humble.
The founder of the MS clinic was Dr. Trevor Gray. He was a skilled neurologist, a compassionate clinician, and an amazing teacher. His toolkit, however, was very limited as there were no treatments available that could change the course of MS. Doctors could only help people with MS manage their symptoms. So, Dr. Gray focused on improving quality of life. He built a multidisciplinary team with nurses, a social worker, a physiotherapist, an occupational therapist, and a psychiatrist. Even though there were no medications, people with MS had, for the first time, a place to get help.
Having MS is still challenging today, but it was much harder back then. Whenever I had an attack, there were little to no options, and every time I ended up back in the hospital on IV steroids. It was very stressful, it was very frustrating. It was really scary for me and my family.
It was a tough time for people with MS, but it was also a time when a lot of groundbreaking research was happening. Treatments were on their way. And because St. Michael's was caring for many people with MS, the clinic became a hub for clinical trials. When Dr. Paul O'Connor came to the MS clinic, that's when the clinical trials program really took off. Under his leadership, the St. Michael's program became one of the largest in the world and played a pivotal role in evaluating many of the treatments that are used today. This was a really significant contribution to therapeutics in the MS field. St. Michael's was very much on the front lines of bringing new treatments to people with MS.
By 2010, St. Michael's had outgrown the space it was in. We had world-class clinicians, incredible dedicated staff, but the MS clinic, like much of the rest of the hospital, was operating in facilities that dated back to the 1910s. It was time for St. Michael's to match the quality of its space to our expertise. The Peter Gilligan Patient Care Tower gave us an opportunity to dream big. With 17 floors of state-of-the-art space, we could finally create a built environment that would change the patient care experience. The MS Centre was a major priority.
We were incredibly fortunate that the Barford and Loves family supported MS research at St. Michael's. The goal was to become the top center for MS research, education and care in the world, and their contributions and encouragement made it possible.
The Barford and Love Endowment opened doors for us. It enabled us to pursue the top MS researchers in the world, researchers who would change the game. And our first hire was Dr. Ji-Won Oh from Johns Hopkins University. I can't overstate how important it was when Ji-Won chose to join St. Michael's.
Our family and the Love family have both been profoundly affected by MS. We knew firsthand how MS care was delivered in Canada and what patients actually needed to thrive.
We knew that with the right approach, we could do so much better. So we set about reimagining the delivery of care for MS patients.
We wanted patients to have wraparound care that would address all of their needs in one place. No more moving from appointment to appointment. And just as importantly, we wanted St. Michael's to have the capability to find a cure and stop MS in its tracks.
So, What can people with MS expect? The BARLO MS Centre will provide people with MS with individualized clinical care based on the latest scientific evidence and access to the specialists and services that they need. Our research is moving the needle on MS, leading to new treatments. And we're training the next generation of MS experts, interdisciplinary team members, and scientists. We are also looking to work with patients as partners in clinical care, in education, and in research.
It's the complete package. The BARLO MS Centre is turning out to be exactly what we had hoped. Facilities we built, the team we built. They're truly outstanding.
This puts us firmly in the top 5 centers for MS research and treatment in the world.
But our goal is to be the best, not the top 5,
But
number 1.
40 years ago, the St. Michael's MS Clinic started out with an approach that was unusual for its time. It didn't just have a neurologist. It had a multidisciplinary team that addressed its patients' social and psychological needs, as well as their medical needs. Then our focus shifted to becoming one of the world's top centers for clinical trials of MS medications. And now, finally, we're bringing together all of the specialists and services that people with MS need, and expanding our research footprint well beyond clinical trials into essential fields in MS research, including advanced MRI studies, as well as basic research.
As a longtime MS patient and volunteer, with my parents and family as proud donors of the Barford and Love's extraordinary vision, I truly know that I and all of the other patients and their families will be getting the absolute best care. We'll benefit from the very best clinicians and researchers in the world, all in one place, all at the BARLO MS Centre right here in Toronto. It's exactly what we need. And when we get off those elevators, it'll feel like a giant hug of caring wrapping all around us. It was almost 40 years ago that it began at St. Mike's, and now at the BARLO MS Centre, exceptional care and hope continues. My family and I are so grateful, and we are so excited.
The response from our community has been tremendous. Canada has the highest incidence of MS in the world, and our incredible donors have shown that we can stop MS in its tracks. I am so excited to announce that we have reached our fundraising goal. Thank you.
Congratulations and a sincere thank you to the Barford and Love families for making this possible.
A huge thank you to all of our patients and our entire MS group for coming together to make this incredible goal happen. I'm so excited for what the future brings.
Welcome to the BARLO MS Centre.